There's the baby Alexandrine parakeets. Pionus. There she is. Here is a bird's eye view of Miranda and our Alexandrine parakeets. Today is May 15th, 2009. And these are some of the birds we have available. Miranda's not for sale. Today is May 19th. This is a baby blue and gold macaw. You're watching a video at Kookaburra Bird Shop in Carrollton, Texas. This little guy is available. For more information, go to our website at kookshop.com, spelled KOOKSHOP.com. I'll walk over. Severe macaw baby. Very, very friendly. Doesn't have all its feathers. And a little Timna African gray that would like nothing better than to go back to sleep. I can relate to that. This little Timna has little red pantaloons. It's going to have lots of color on it once it feathers out. Okay, I'll let you go back to sleep, little cutie. These are some Western Rosellas. They're being hand-fed. They're a little shy. Don't really want their picture taken. So you can get an up close here of their wing color. They're beautiful little birds, and they make really cool noises. I doubt they'll do it right now, but maybe. Today is May 15th, 2009. And currently these birds are available for sale at Kookaburra Bird Shop. There we go. There's a little bit of noise. Just kind of hanging out. A little shy. These are beautiful little birds. This is a little bare-eyed cockatoo. She's very cute. Oops, wrong way. Sorry about that. She's taking a nap. Everybody's taking a nap right now. These are the baby African gray. This is the little girl. We have 2 girls and a boy available. Kind of shy. Everybody's just kind of hanging out today.